Right, well, that's enough of that. Thank you very much. So, good morning, everyone. Well, it's morning here, wherever you are. I hope you're well. And welcome to today's webinar. I've already put some links to mostly free resources. There's one discounted course there, but we'll talk about that later. So, what I'm going to do is share a screen with you. Here we go. Yes, it just needs a bit of help. And I'm going to move to, here we go. So what we're going to talk about today is how to identify and analyze functional hazards. And by functional hazards, I mean where typically a computer system, some kind of programmable electronic control system, is controlling vectors, so sensors or some kind of movement or vehicle, or it's presenting safety-related information to humans who then make a decision that may have safety consequences. So this is the third of my current series of free webinars from the Safety Artisan, which I hope you are enjoying. Okay, so a quick word about myself. I've been in the business of system safety for about 25 years now, and I've worked on a wide variety of systems. So lots of aircraft, ships, submarines, air traffic management systems, trains and software, a little bit on vehicles and trains, I should say. And I've worked on some really small programs, which has been lovely, to some ginormous programs, including Eurofighter and Future Submarine, both of which were, slated to be tens of billions of dollars. And the observant amongst you will have noticed that the Australian Future Submarine program failed. So I've got the scar tissue to show for that from other things. And it's from those experiences that I can share with you what works and often what doesn't work. And I've lived in Australia now for just over 10 years and worked here. And before that, I had a full career in the UK. And I've worked on a lot of US and European programs. So I've seen a great variety of ways of doing things, okay? And there's no right or wrong way to do safety. Different nations do it in different ways. Different cultures do it in different ways. But it's understanding, what's appropriate to do in that situation. And I've also had the privilege of teaching hundreds of people in the classroom and thousands online. And I've also been lucky enough to present on safety topics at several international conferences. Right, let's go back. Okay, that's enough about me. So we'll get on to our topic about how do we identify and analyze functional hazards, which is I've seen in a lot of programs, we're great at doing the physical, not so good at the functional.